Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to solve the Unit 2 study question from the material of ASCII EA review. Okay, let's start with the question 1. Here the question asking which of the tax forms would be Tatiana used to report her income. Okay, so let's move to the question. Tatiana, 41 years old and divorced. She filed head of household with a two dependent child. Tatiana is a citizen of Canada and legal US citizen. It's a not a non-resident. Non-resident alien. So he should file form 1040 because he's a legal US resident and 10 age is 41. Okay, 41 below the 60. So the form 1040 not he's not eligible for NR, not tax and not SR. So the 1041 form. So question 2. Which of the following statement is correct? Both are the married but choose to file separate return in 2024 because of the audit, previous tax return, Canada file their MFS return on time. In 2023, they file their return on time. Okay. So in the next question, a few months after say filing separate return audit to the previous tax issue has been resolved, then she wishes to file the amended return for the jointly. Basically, initially they file MFS. Now they wants to file MFJ because they wants to claim EIC credit. So they can do, they can file return from MFS to MFJ within 3 years. Well, within a 3 year from the original due date, within a 3 year from the original due date. Okay, so original due date is 2023. So up to the 24, 25, up to 26. Within a 3 year, they can claim. So the right answer for the question is question B. Okay. Here he is saying prohibited. Here is saying not claim. So he can both of them can claim EIC credit and cannot file jointly. So they can file. The correct answer is D. Third question. Considered to be marriage. They are considered to be married. The spouse had their marriage annulled. In the case of annulment, they are not considered to be married. Legally separated. So, in case of legally separated, maintenance divorce, they have to file MFS. And in case of divorce on 31st of December, so they are considered as a separate. Okay, one spouse died during the year, and QS is not married. Okay, as we know that in the year of death, they can file MFS or MFJ as per their own wish if they are not married. So they are considered as a marriage. So the correct answer is D. Let's move. Next answer. Question 4. Nikki marriage was annulled. His marriage is annulled. She is filed jointly return with her husband previous 2 years. She has to file her 2020 return. She has to file her 2020 tax return. Nikki has to no dependent. He has no dependent. Which of the following statement is correct? So in the case of annulment, if they are filing MFJ, they have to file single, not MFS. So it's a very important point. You will definitely get a one question in your exam. So the right answer is she must file the amendment returns claiming the filing status, single filing status, open all the effective date by the annulment. She will file the single in 2023. The correct answer is A. Filing status should be used. Tanya's divorce become final. His divorce become final. If divorce become final, so generally we consider the status at the last date of the year. Let's see whether they have any dependent or not one. She has solely custody of two children. They have custody of two children. So who live with her entire year. So the children lived entire year, and both are under 18 and more than the support test. So he must file a head of household. The next question is Elvira's husband died on 3rd December 2000. She has one dependent who is 8-year-old. She did not remarry. If she did not remarry in the year of death, he had to file MFJ or MFS. And let's move to the question 7. The question 7. Madison and Franco are not married. Not married, correct? And not live together. Not live together. But they have 2 years old daughter. Madison and her daughter live together all the year. Her daughter live with her, correct? While Franco live alone, means daughter does not live with him. And Franco cares all the daughter. He care daughter 2 days, 2 days a week. And Franco earned Madison earned 17900 working as a grocery store as beggar. Franco earned 4800 managing the hardware store. Franco paid over the half the cost of Madison apartment rent and utility where the daughter live. He paid half over the more than 50%. But the key point is daughter does not live with him. So he cannot claim as HOH. Daughter live with her, but she does not provide any support. So neither Franco nor Madison can claim HOH status. The correct answer is D. Let's move. Question number 8. Those married 65 years old, 65 and 72 were married on 26th of December. They have no dependent. Those married wages, her wages is 2000 and it's 19. Correct. Father Lena wants to file jointly. He wants to file jointly MFJ and she doesn't want, or she wants to file MFS. Okay, which of the following statement is correct? So they can file MFS. The correct answer is learner both required to file tax return. They require to file tax return because the threshold limit for MFS is $5. They must both file MFS. Correct? Yeah, the correct answer is C. Please comment in the below if you are not understanding any point, and I'll explain in detail over there. Please let me know. Next question is how long must Burton live with client's home to qualified HOH status? So as we know that for the HOH status, more than the half year. Okay. The next question is when may the taxpayer amend joint return from the marriage filing jointly MFC to MFS separately after the original date. After the original date, never they can do. So it's wrong. Within the statute of no, only when the marriage has been annulled. No, not it in the case of annulment, but not only. An state personal representative may amend joint return from MFS to the descendant if elected by the surviving spouse. It's a correct. Yeah, correct. Yeah, let's move. Next question. A US citizen who married with a non-resident alien filed joint return for the both spouse. If they married with a non-resident alien and wants to file MFJ, so they have to tax on worldwide income. So the correct answer is taxed on worldwide income. Yeah, correct answer is E. Okay. Here, which filing status should Lisa use in 2023? Lisa and Stuart were married and Stuart he died in 2023. Sorry, May 3, 2021. He is asking for the 2023. So 1, 2022, 1, 2023. 1. So 2 year. Within a 2 year, so he should file QSS. Which of the following statement is correct regarding the household filing status? Okay, the taxpayer must be unmarried to qualify header. No. The taxpayer's spouse must be deceased. No. The parents, yeah, it's in case of parent, does not live with the taxpayers to qualify. Yeah, it's a correct. Parents is an exception. So the parent does not have to live with the taxpayers. The marriage filing separately is status for the taxpayer who are married and choose to, yeah, correct, who are married and choose to file the separate return. The next question, uh, federal income tax purpose, what is the Kimberly's residential status in 2023? So as you know that the for residency test we have to fulfill the SPT test and 31 days or 183 days in the previous year. Okay, so here non-resident alien, resident alien, and undocumented alien, no dual status. These three concepts in your syllabus. So 26 years old, international student in university, and first come to US in 2023. When she came in 2013. Okay, in status and completing his doctorate, whether he remained in the US in the same status until the completed his doctorate 2025. So she came in 2023 and then 2015. So it's a total three, yeah, 23, 20, 13, 14, and 15, 3 year, correct? And they return. They again go back to their home with France. Camely return, and they only returned in US J1. Again, she come back in 2021 and had not left the US. Up till here, she did not left. Okay, the Camely worked on the campus and the part time and earned such amount the wages during the year. The federal income tax for Camely residential status is 23. So in 3 years, here 3 years, then 21, then 22, and 23. So we consider 2 years. So the total is 5 years up till the 23. So C can be the resident alien. So the correct answer is resident alien. Okay. Please revise it. These two. This is a very important question. For up. Yeah. Which of the following is required to file the income tax? Which of the following is required to file income tax return except we are asking the taxpayer who owed the household or the nanny? No. Except a church employee who is exempt from FICA taxes who earn 101. So for the church employee there is limit for 108 point something. I'm not remember exact the point, but 108. So he is exempt. The correct answer is B. Okay. So let's move to the next question. Yeah. Which of the following statement is correct? Adrian and Troy are married and live together all the years and then earn such amount during the year. Troy earned such amount and then wants to file return, but Troy refused to file the return. And then instead of filing separate tax return on his own, which of the following return? So he actually she wants and he doesn't want to. He refused to file the return. So they need to be filed return because the threshold limit for the MFS is $5, and separately the Indian and Toy must both file separate return. It's a correct answer is D. The next question: which of the relatively qualified taxpayers is head of household filing status? Adult stepdaughter who live in her own apartment. So who is supported by the no cousin, no the parents, parents who live with his own home and not with the tax. Yeah, it's a correct answer. Parents is an exception. So it's a correct answer. The next answer, next question is: Harris is 39-year-old and has lived apart from the wife, and since from Feb 2023, and the divorce was not yet final. They are not legally separated under the separate maintenance. Okay. they live apart. They married and live apart since 23, and they are not, their marriage not yet final in 2023. They have two children, son and age is 15, daughter is 16. After Harris and Eleanor split up, their son live with Harris, daughter choose to live with England, and Harris provide all the support of minor child living. Eleanor refused to file jointly, so most beneficial filing status is HOH because he provide all the support to the child. Yeah, next question is Belly is 18-year-old, high school senior. For last year high school, okay. Yeah, she worked in a toy store during the Christmas holiday and earned 14. Okay, age is 18 and earned income is 1400. December she also received 4600 from winning of lottery ticket. Okay, lottery ticket means it's unearned income. So it's exceed the limit. So he have to file the return. Okay, yes, because the amount of her unearned income, okay, because her earned income exceed the limit, so he had to file the return. The next question is, which of the following dependency relationship would not qualify? It's an important point. Would not qualify a taxpayer to qualify surviving the spouse as their filing status in the death of a spouse. Okay, the biological child, he is qualified. The foster child, he is not qualified. Adopted and estate. So the correct answer is B. Question 22. Alexander, younger brother Sebastian, 18-year full-time student. Sebastian live with his friend from Jan to Feb, so 2 months to friend, and March through the July, and March to July live with his sister. It's a 5 month. Yeah, correct, 5 month. On 1st of August, Sebastian moved back to his friend. August to rest of the year to December. Friend. It's a 5 year. The total is a 12 month. Okay. The Alexander gave him money for every month. He gave money and provide the majority of financial support. Alexander, who has no other dependent, which of the following statement is? He is paying the support, but his brother not live with him. Okay. The key point is his brother is not stay with him, so he cannot file HOH return. Next question is Louisa legally separated her husband 2020. They are custody of a 13-year-old son. Which of the following is factor would prevent Louisa from filing HOH? Okay. So the Louisa has maintained the separate residential from her husband since no. Son principal home is Louisa. No. Louisa parents assist 40% of her cost. No. Louisa's sons live with her 4 months. Okay. 4 months with mother and she lives with the father rest of 6 months and 6 months. So it's a correct answer. Okay. The next question is Elizabeth and Cyrus were married in 2018. They have no child or other dependent. They have no child or other dependent. They split up 2 years ago, but never officially filed divorce. So if they are not filed officially divorce, they can file MFJ or MFS. So the correct answer is MFJ or MFS B. Hong is an international student temporary in the US for F1 visa. Hong arrived in US in yeah, 3rd Jan 2023 and was present in all the year studying in the Yale University. How long he is exempt for the SPT? He is a student. He is exempted for the 5 year. So hope you all are understand the point. If you are interested to join WhatsApp group, please the link attached in the description. Please join the WhatsApp group where I keep sharing the notes and everything. So thank you.